So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to create birthday story on Instagram. Now, after you open the Instagram, tap on this your story button to create the story. So it will take you to this option. All you have to do now, scroll to down and select a video or a picture that you want to add for your birthday. After you select one of them, all you have to do now, tap on this sticker button at the top. Tap on this sticker section. From this option, now go ahead now and tap on this search and search for birthday like this. Just go ahead and type in birthday. It will give you different birthday tools. After you type in birthday like this, now just scroll to down and tap on this birthday cake. So now resize the cake at the position that you want to add it. Here is the cake, so I'll just resize it like this and add it in this position. So from there, now tap on this sticker again and then scroll to down. If you scroll to down, just scroll to down and select this one. Select this option. So as you can see now, here is it now. This here says this flashing happy birthday. Tap on it. So you can select anyone, even not this one. So just resize it using your hand. So and put it at that side. So from there now you can just go ahead now and tap on this text button. After you tap on the text, type in a text like this. So type in a text like this, happy birthday to myself. So after you finish it typing the text like this, now tap on this done button. So just tap on the text again to edit the text. Tap on the text. So from this option, all you have to do now is swipe to right like this. So if you come to this option, there is a text. So tap on this, as you can see now, this sparkle button. Scroll to down, tap on it again. So you can select different text, as you can see now, different text in this option. But for me, I will leave it as the black. Again, tap on this option, this A. So from this option, scroll to right and go to this sparkle. Choose this one. So as you can see now the text now, as you can see now, it just sparkling, just a stylish text. Just go through all this text to just like customize your text. But for me, I'll go with this one, this sparkling one. After you finish customizing the text, tap on this done button. So now you can resize the text. As you can see now, you can use your two fingers to resize the text and you can position it in a place where you want to position it. So I'll just leave it in this section, or I'll just add it to at the top. So now whoever now open up my story, he will be able to notice that today is my birthday. Just tap on this your story button. From there, your story will be shared on your Instagram. And that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.